Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change YouTube channel name. You can change your YouTube channel name on a mobile device, both on YouTube Studio. To change your YouTube channel name, open the YouTube mobile. Tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right. From the menu, select View Channel and look for the edit option or the pencil icon. Tap on it. Type in the new channel name for your YouTube channel. After entering the updated name, click Save to confirm and apply the change. You can also change the name of your YouTube channel using the YouTube Studio app. Tap on your profile picture icon to access your account. From the menu, select the Edit Channel Profile option and locate the section showing your current channel name or description. Then, tap the Edit button next to your name or description. Type in the new name for your YouTube channel. After entering the updated channel name, click Save to confirm and apply the change. Things to keep in mind before you change your YouTube channel name or handle name. First, you'll lose your verified status. If you have one, upon changing the channel name, in contrast, updating your YouTube handle will not remove your verification badge. Second, you can change your YouTube channel and handle names, respectively, only twice in 40 days. And third, changing your YouTube handle will change your channel's URL. Knowing how to change the YouTube channel name or handle is just a small part of building a successful presence on the platform. While a compelling name is important, true success lies in consistently creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience and keeps them engaged and returning for more. However, crafting great content can be a significant challenge, especially when juggling various aspects of video creation, editing, and promotion. Fortunately, Descript's intuitive and AI-powered video creation and video editing suite can streamline the process, empowering you to work more efficiently and effectively. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.